Hello everyone. Here's a new look for you for those who like short hair. If you would like to see how I styled it like this and more info, stay tuned. This is so y'all can see how the color looks in the sun. So here's the look I'm starting from. My old braids from my last hairstyle. And I like to put every few days the TTT hair growth oil, which keeps my edges moisturized and growing so it won't get pulled out from not wearing caps under the wigs. And the reason I don't wear a cap under some of the wigs because like with this wig, it's very small parting for lace, so to me it's no point. So the braids I'm just using from my last style. I don't want the hair to be really tight around the edges or laid down around the edges because this is what I'm going to use to cut the lace, since the lace on a wig is only about ½ an inch. So here's the wig. I've already washed and put product in it and let it dry. You see it's barely any lace. There's the elastic headband, which is perfect because for people who don't want to glue their wigs down. And it also leaves you room to be able to oil your scalp once you take it off. So I'm just trying on the wig to see how it looks on me and how I'm going to style it. The link of where I got this wig from is in the description box. I got it on AliExpress from a vendor named Silk Wave. All I did was bleach the knots, but then I realized I wasn't even going to use it in the front. But this is just in case I wanted to put the wig up front, but since I didn't want to do too much work and I wanted to look more natural, I'm just going to put it behind my hairline. So in order not to show the lace, I'm going to just take this black pencil and color the lace. So that way when it blends into my hair, you won't see lightness behind the part of my hair that's out. For those who like quick wigs and don't like to do all that gluing down, this is an easy wig. So the video wasn't that long because it didn't take much to get this to look natural. So here I am taking all the hairs that's starting to grow out and pushing it forward. You can cut this if you want to give it more of a shape, but it already pretty much has the style in it. So it dried in a funny direction, so I'm just going to go in and spray water on it to lay some of the hairs down around my ears. Actually, I really didn't think I was going to like this wig, but it actually looks nice. So they had different colors, but I liked how the blonde one looked. So I'm just putting water in here, spraying it to get to the shape that I want in the front. It already has product in here. You don't want to just spray water completely and just leave it like that because that's what causes your hair to get frizzy. So you don't get to see the product that I'm putting on, but after I put this water on, I'm dipping my hands into a curl cream so it will hold that curl all day. And as you see, as I'm trying to pull out hair to see if it's going to shed, but since most of the wig is wefted and not lace, it's not really going to shed too much. So I'm just pretty much styling with my fingers, trying to get it to look right. Let me know what you think about the wig. Like I said, again, the wig will be in the description of where I bought it. If you would like to see a certain look, message me or comment, and I'll try to get that done if I have enough people asking for a certain look. So Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.